time he didn't come here. The cassette player of Krishna
the divine feet of Krishna, Avishnati, not as unforgetfulness. Unforgetfulness of the remembrance of Krishna consciousness of his divine feet. Prishthiti Krishna Pararavinda Himati Avadran. It will dissipate, destroy. Abhadra. Abhadra, no bhadra, is desirable. What is not good, the element that is not good in us, nasty, which is nasty, which is impure within us, that will be destroyed by the continuance of Krishna consciousness in its any stage, in its lower stage, in slightest negligent connection, even can destroy the undesirability, our connection with things of lower nature. Vinati abhadrani, cha samtanoti, and it will promote mangalam, that is goodness within us. Samtanoti. Sattasya shuddhi, the substantial character of our existence will be improved. Sattasya shuddhi, our soul existence, that will be purified. Our standpoint, our understanding, our aspiration, everything will be purified. Paramatma Bhakti, and we shall attain deep devotion, attachment towards the super-subjective Jnanancha, and our knowledge, our conception about the same will improve. Jnanancha, one word missing, three-lettered word. Jnanancha, viraga yuktam. Gyan Vairagya are the two correlative terms. Gyan Vairagya, Gyanancha, Viraga Yuktam, one word missing from the memory. And the knowledge, and there is a conception about that will have in its retinue a proper conception and apathy to this mundane world. Viraga, Ananja, Viraga Yukta, Avishnati Krishna Pada. So anyhow, we have to maintain our Krishna consciousness. Here the advice is that we try to maintain Krishna consciousness. It is the medicine, and there is no other medicine which can produce Krishna consciousness, cure our disease and discover Krishna consciousness within us. Krishna consciousness is the cause of Krishna consciousness. And we have to get help from the sadhu who has got Krishna consciousness within them. Just as from one light another candle may be lighted. The candle cannot produce light from within, but it is to be lighted from another candle. Something like that. You have to we have to awaken our buried Krishna consciousness, which is covered by Annavilas Karma Gyan. That should be awakened with the help of another light. That will come to help the slept Krishna consciousness within us and our consciousness which arises from its sleep as it is. So method is like that. Sadhu Sangha, Krishna Janmamul, Krishna Bhakti Janmamul hai Sadhu Sangha. At the same time, it is told that it is ahitiki, causeless. How to harmonize? Krishna Bhakti, the faith in Krishna, and the devotion towards Krishna, we can get from the sadhu. At the same time, it is told that it is causeless. So, Chakravarti Thakur has ahituki apatihata sabai pungsang paro dharmo jatu bhakti radhukshaji ahituki apatihata. It is causeless and it cannot be checked. So, ahituka apatihata sabai pungsang paro dharmo jatu bhakti radhukshaji ahituka apatihata jayatma suprasidati or samprasidati. When it is awakened within our heart, we can feel that the heart is getting wonderfully satisfied. The satisfaction is produced in our heart, we can feel it. Ahituki apratihata, no cause and cannot be checked, cannot be any opposition cannot have any effect there. It is such. Then bhakta samjataya bhaktya. Bhakti comes from bhakti. So it is ahituki. The light is there, another candle is lighted from the light coming. So it is ahituki. In this way you have to trace the original light, that is eternal self-existent. And it is extending itself. So it has no cause, it is causeless. The cause is there eternally and it is only extending itself. And apadihata, it may be temporarily, it may be opposed or apparently checked, but it neha vikrama sasti pattavayu nividdati. It won't leave you. For the time being, it may be suppressed a little, but it cannot be finished. It is of eternal type. Eternal type. It has got connection with the eternal aspect of the universe. So, apadihata. We have to come near such sort of existence. We have to come in connection with that plane of life, a particular plane, plenary. Existence or acquaintance of nature. It is there. Only we have to have connection with it. Avishyati Krishna Padara Vindayo Khinatta Bhadrani Chathang Tanoti Sattasya Saddhin Paramatma Bhaktim Jnanam Cha Vijnana Viraga Yuktam. That Vijnana. That was missing. Jnanam cha vijnana viraga yuktam. Jnana means direct knowledge of the thing, and the vijnana, that a systematic knowledge. In Bhagavad Gita also we find, in vijnana, jnanam teham savijnanam idam bhakkam afisata. Jajnata bhuyo anna jnatavyam avasishyati. Savijnanam, jnanam, savijnanam. Jnana means the general knowledge, and the vijnana means the knowledge of its constituent parts, of the system, systematic knowledge. So jnanam cha vijnana viraga yuktam. You will attain the knowledge of the Absolute as a system, a part, hierarchy, gradation. And virag means twofold meaning. One negative and another positive. Negative, you will have no attraction for non-God. That is mundane attachment. No attraction for mundane necessity. And the positive, vishishti raga. You will have vishishta, excellent raga, attachment Vishishta. Which is accepted by calculation and elimination. That sort of raga in a proper place, not not in the approximate good, bad, all mixture, not that, but eliminated attraction, adjusted attraction you will have. Viraga yuktam, jnanam cha vijnana viraga yuktam, the knowledge that is supported by attraction and also experience of this system as much as necessary in any part of it. Discriminative attachment. Attachment for the eye, attachment for the nail. Then it should not be equal. Adjusted attachment in a particular system, more or less. Sometimes the attachment should be well adjusted. However, how much is necessary, attention is necessary according to that. The head is the more important and the leg is little less. In this way, proper adjusted attachment for the systematic whole, they will acquire gradually. First hazy, a mass of attraction, and then the attraction will be systematized as much as will come in connection with the other side, the object of your attachment in a systematic way you will be able to realize. Hari Krishna Gaudari Abhishnati Krishna Padara Vindayo Khinoti Avadrani Cha Sang Tanoti, in general way, the good advancement. Sattasya Suddhing, your understanding in its progress will eliminate undesirable portion from it. Your conception will be more clear and clear, more and more clear. So undesirable things from your conception will gradually vanish, and it will lead to the perfect conception, Sattasya Shuddhi. In the beginning, the Satta, what you come to understand approximately to be eternal Satchidananda. But there will be gradual development of your understanding more clear and more pure. First, a mass of light, then a figure, then the potency, then the lila with the potency. In this way, your approach will be closer and closer, and many things, close and minute things will come to your view. The minutest part also, detailed things, the full Chidvilas will be gradually very close to you, or you will be led closer to the specified, differentiated view of the plane, higher and higher in this way. Development, progressing life in bhakti. in devotion. Hare Krishna. Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Any question?
So when it says Bahunam Jamanam Te Jnanavam Prapadyante Vasudeva Savamiti.
Bhavadati Vasudeva Sarvam. From Brahma conception, the different installment. First, all consciousness. Then the consciousness is of individual character. Individuality is added to consciousness. No consciousness can exist without without personality. The consciousness is personal. The next step will come. The consciousness is personal. Personality and the consciousness, that is, cannot be separated one from the another. What is differentiated from personality, that is only a halo of the personality, something like that. That is Brahma. There are also minutest personality, combination of Okharam. Okharad, Avichut, Kharadachita, Okharadavichat. Khara means perishable, changing, and unchangeable, eternal. Substance of two kinds, changing or unchanging. Khara sarvani bhutani, whatever we see in the changing aspect of the world, that is called khara. And the okshara, unchangeable. I am transcending, I exist transcending both of these two substances, khara, okshara. I am Purushottama. So my name is Purushottama. Purushottama means Vasudeva. Vasudeva. Bahunam Janmanamante. When the Jnani, the impersonal school, they come to understand that the prime cause of consciousness of their quest is personal one. Then they come to conceive Vasudeva. But such Jnanis are very rarely to be found. Mostly Jnanis cannot cross this line. They are lost there. And vimuktamanina tajjasta bhavat avishuddha buddhaya arujya kisrena parang padam tatapatam tadhu anaditya dushyananga. Generally, the general fate of the Jnanis to climb up to the highest position with great effort. And then when they cannot catch that consciousness means person, cannot cross that. They have to revert back, come back, fall back. And those that can cross, yes, the consciousness means person, the big personality, I am small, so bhakti begins there. The relation of subordination of the lower to the higher, that comes to be affected. And Sa Mahatma Sudurlabha, and such a person amongst the Jnani is very rarely to be found who can take the positive connection of the higher aspect of life, Sudurlabha. and mostly they come back. They have to come back from that. After much penances, they climb back to that high mark, and because they not accommodate that the higher entity must be dealt with devotion, so they had to come back. And those that Vasudeva is Vasudeva, is personal, Purushottama, but they can cross the line and they enter Vaikuntha. And there we are told gradually, as their vision grows more and more, they can find potency on the side of the personal God. Then becomes the devotee of Lakshmi Narayana. Lakshmi Narayana, and enters completely in Vaikuntha Seva. But there is all reverence. There are Shastric rules, and there are examples of the higher realized souls to guide them. And they do not find the whole of their innate nature having full engagement, some sort of thirst, have no corresponding relation to satisfy its inner tendency. And when they feel some urge from within, they have to search after other rasa. A purer friendship, friendly service, then the filial service, and the madhura rasa service, service of the sweetheart, concerthood. Urges him to go up or go deeper, and gradually coming in contact with such agents, gradually they find their own heart blossoming, and blossoming to its fullest extent takes him gradually towards Goloka Vrindavan. So you can see that what was Brahma, then Paramatma or Vasudeva, then Lakshmi Narayan, that has gradually coming to him as Krishna consciousness, not Narayana consciousness. Superseding Narayana consciousness, he comes in contact with Krishna consciousness of the reality. He finds himself awakened in a plane where he sees the all connecting, all harmonizing principle is no longer Narayana, but he is Krishna. As Krishna, fully awakened, his heart also fully awakened, and at the same time he says that the environment, the object of his search is also fully equipped, full-fledged theism, the theistic conviction receives its satisfaction in the fullest way. Just as with the opening of the eye we can see the world, and according to the degree of our sight, we come to the subtlest thing of the environment. So also, by our inner awakening of the fullest type, we come to a particular world, environment, and that is Vrindavan, Goloka, Vrindavan, the land of love, spontaneous river, movement is spontaneous, and all around we find only friendly, clean, friendly, and very intimacy, and no quench for higher, but with a quench, eternal quench of coming in closer relation with them, closer connection with them. No possibility of any higher change of environment, but that is almost final. And now only remaining things, how to come in from closer to more close connection with the environment. And that becomes the initiative of our movement there. More and more intimate connection with the environment. Environment is eternal, but the intimacy, there is the competition. The movement and the guidance is there. That is what may be thought as Nitya-lila. Nitya-lila. Lila means movement, some sort of necessity, repetition, but ever new. Only question of time. Every day when I am hungry in the morning, it is tasteful, food is tasteful to me. Not always. So, by the movement of the time, it is like that. Everything is palatable, not stale. It is managed by Yogamaya in such a way. Then Lila is eternal. Fullest satisfaction of all the inner parts of our system, the wholesale satisfaction of every atom of our constituent part of our spiritual body. And this way things go. Pratiyango lagikande, pratiyango mo. Every limb, every part of my limb cries for the corresponding part of the limb of the other side. The sambandha, it may come to such a stage that every atom constituting my body, my spiritual body, mind, whatever it may be, will aspire after the union of the every corresponding part of the environment. And this way, in such friendly way, so many are moving there, and it is adjusted by Yogamaya. Yogamaya. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Pratiyango lagi kandi, pratiyango mo. The highest conception. Every atom in my existence is in loving aspiration with the environment, and that is Krishna. Krishna consciousness has circulated me. Has circulated means from all sides it has embraced me. I am lost in the thought of Krishna consciousness, which is detailed, elaborate acquaintance. I am merged in the deepermost part of Krishna consciousness, where I shall feel as Krishna has captured every atom of my existence. Every atom is feeling as if separate pleasure by his embracing. By his embracing, and that also, and that is possible in only concerthood of relationship, that every atom has been embraced, captured, come into a most intimate connection. Adi Ras or Mukhya Ras. The name of Madhura Ras is Adi Ras. That is the most original, that is the source of all other rasas. All other rasa is dependent on it, Adi Ras. And the Mukhya Ras, all rasa is represented there, all other rasa. Sum total of all rasa. Of course, with the gist of them, we are told like that, and Mahaprabhu came with this, Anarpita Charing Chirat. But it is considered never any distribution, possible distribution of it was previously before Mahaprabhu. In Jaivadharma we find one Vaishnava is asking his Gurudev that devotion that is eternal, but why do you say that it came from Mahaprabhu? Then there's his Guru, that Paramahansa Babaji, his Guru, is saying, I visited Vrindavan and asked the eternal servitor of Sri Chaitanya Dev, Sri Sanatana Goswami, Anarpita Charing Chirat, what is the meaning underlined? What has never been dealt with before. Then he told, Bhakti is eternal, generally. In Narad Sutra, Sandilya Sutra, all these things. But the type of devotion, what Mahaprabhu, what we meet after the advent of Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Dev, that was not previously any time open to the ordinary person. So it is called Anarpita Charing. And what is that? And this is that. This complete surrender to Krishna in concerthood of relation, where every atom of the jiva soul get welcome and embraced by the corresponding atom of Krishna consciousness, Madhura Rasa. That was not open to the public before. This is my finding or my faith. You may accept or may not accept. Sanatana Goswami told it to the Vaishnava Acharya. This is my private conception. You may take it or may not. Sanatana Goswami told. So, devotion in general, there is beginning. Prayana munayo rajam nivitta vidhishedatha nadgannasta ramante sma gunanu bhajani hari kasani hari. Adma ramascha munayo nirkantayo purukrame udbhanta hoitu king bhaktim ittam bhutu guno hari. Begins from here. Parinishthito vinargunne uttama shloka lidaya grihita cheta rajarsi akhanam yadhitava. The beginning of bhakti, that is Shantarasa, Chatusham, Jashyarvindanayanasya padarvindam Kinyalka mistra tulasi makaranda vayu Antargata savivadina chakarati san Shankhuha Mukhara Yusam Vijitra Tanno. The primary admission into devotional school above Gyan Vairagya, Shantarasa. No tathami priyatamo natmajo nirna sankara. Nata sankarsana nasri naivatma jata bhavan. Step by step, the development of the devotional school has been proved here. So gradation is there. Bahunam janmana manti gyanavan man prabuddhati vasudeva sarvam samahatma sudurlabha. The beginning of devotional life. And then there is step by step going up. In Ramananda Rao, Varnasrama Charvata Purushena Parapuman Vishnu Radhati Pantha Nanyattattu Sukarunam. The beginning. Jat Karush Jadasnasi Jat Juhushi Jadashi Jat Jat Tavasya Konteya Tat Kurusha Madatpanam. Second step. Third, Brahma Bhuta Pasannatma no Shuchiti no Gangshati Samasat Vish Bhutishu Madhbhukti Lavati Param. Na third was Sarvadharman Parityajya Magmekam Saranam Vaja Avangtang Sarvabhapi Moksha Ishyami Vajika Aggai Bhugnam Dosan Mayadishtan Apishakam Dharman Samtajya Sarvan Sunangvaji Satsattam. Then fourth, Brahma Bhuta Pasannatma no Suchati no Gangshati Samasat Vish Bhuteshu Madhbhakti Lavati. Then all Dehabhajya, the fourth step Dehabhajya. Then Gyani Prayasam Dapasya Namantaiva Jivanti Sanmukharitang Bhavadiya Vartang Sthane Sthita Sujigatang Tanuvang Manovi Ji Prayasu Jita Jita Posita Istidakam. That is the spirit. High Age Kahoar. Then Ki Dasan Tasya Tirtha Padakimba Dasanam Avasishyati. Sixth. Then the Sakharasa. Sakharasa. Then Vatsadarasa. Yoha Yahutam. Then Madhura Rasa. In this way it is going up. Systematically you have to understand and digest what is bhakti. At the beginning we must have a broad conception of the positive world, the world of dedication, The world of exploitation we are living in at present, just the opposite life is possible, similar. A systematic and progressive life of dedication, and the renunciation that is in the middle. We must have Tedha Niladhi Padam, three steps of the Lord: exploitation, renunciation, and dedication. The basic faith we must have of such a conception. Then we have to look at the different structure there, how we have to test. We must have a scientific conception of devotional school. It is not whimsical, it is not unsubstantial, which cannot be proved, but it has got its proof, it has got its real nature, but the taste will be of different type. One that is, telescope cannot be used as for microscope. Microscope cannot be used as telescope. So the praman, the proof, the guarantee that will be of different nature. What is applicable for the mundane science, that test cannot be applied in the transcendental plane. So that has got the standard of measurement that is different, and we have to acquaint ourselves with them. What is the criterion, the standard of measurement, of taste, of the transcendental world? We have to get that. Then we will be able to understand that any whimsical statement is not transcendental truth. It has got its specific characteristic. Jatamat tatapat. Any opinion of any man has got any value there. This sort of anarchical position is not there. That is more systematic, more truthful. Viddham vastavamatra vastu shivadam. It is apparent, and that is reality. And that reality can be known by the dint of reality, by the power of reality. He is to make himself known, that is in his hand. Nayamatma pravrataninu labha namay dhayava bhumya sudena. Worldly qualification is not sufficient to get that. Jame vaisha vinute tena labha. This one path we are recommended. By His grace we can know Him, no other alternative. Jame vaisha vinute tena labha. Whoever is graced by His selection to know Him, he can only know. Otherwise it is impossible. All right reserved. If he wants to make himself known to another, then that another will know him. The only path that shows the path, grace, kripa. That is the way. Otherwise, unvulnerable, unapproachable. Nayanatma pravachanam labho no medhaya bhavo. High intellectualism, high scholarship, a genius, scholarship of a genius. Pravachanam labho, and who can describe and deliver lectures in a beautiful way. No medhaya, bahuna sudhina, vast study. No, everything is useless. Useless. Jame Vaishwabhanati, only one way. That selection, appointment must come from that quarter to take in. Here, visa cannot be granted by the passport officers. The visa can only be granted by that domain. These passport officers are helpless to give any visa. So it must come from the other world. So, Yame Vaishwabhanute tena labha. Yes, you may come in. You are desirable, you come in, you may come in. You are desirable. That sort of visa have to come compulsory for entering that land. Yame Vaishwabhanute tena labha. Tasya atma vibhanuti tanum sam. Then he will make himself known clearly and more intimately in his progressive, according to development of his inner progress. As much as he will be able to accept the nationality of that land, he will be so much adored there. He will be taken into secrecy of all serious departments if he can prove that he owned to be a traitor at any time, and eternally accepted the nationality of that country. He will be given full confidence there, according to his adjustment, improvement in the adjustment. He will be allowed to enter into deepermost position. Hari Krishna, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari. Nidai Gaur Hari Gaur, Nidai Gaur Hari Gaur. Sukh, happiness, Rasa Vaisha. Now the quality of the rasa, that is all. The higher rasa, only by dedication, by surrender and dedication, we can attain the higher rasa and the higher type of gentlemen, their intimate company. We can acquire by dedication. That is devotion. And the dedication of the quality and the quantity. Two things to be controlled. Dedication of class, quality, and the quantity. Gaur Hari Gaur, Gaur Hari Gaur. Nidai Gaur Hari Gaur, Nidai Gaur Hari Gaur. Nidai Gaur Hari Gaur, Nidai Gaur Hari Gaur. Nidai Gaur Hari Gaur, Nidai Gaur Hari Gaur. Nidai Gaur Hari Gaur. নিমাই আছে নাকি? একটু খাবার জল অল্প একটু।